11h55 da noite. E aqui estou eu chegando no meu primeiro rally. Camp Out Rally. Ah, Rally Dakar. É isso aí. Aqui aqui é suposto ter uma barragem. Segundo a minha direção, passa por cima dessa barragem. Uau! E aonde que fica aberto? É ali? E não é ali não. A não ser que tem gente aqui, né? Parece que é aqui mesmo. Hi. You go camping? Yeah, to the Chappie-Shasta Rally something.
Just Chappie, they do the motorcycle event.
Right, yeah.
Event.
Yes.
Show me the
Okay.
Yeah, anytime we go on here, we just have to check the invalid.
Okay.
And the tag.
Good.
That's the government one.
Right, here we go.
I think last year when I began, they stopped real well. They don't check it.
No, that's perfect. Let me. There we go. Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, to the other side, so you will the white line.
Okay.
Go slow, they go past the line until the sensor check your tire.
Okay.
You hear a beat.
Okay.
So
Good to go.
yeah,
Okay.
This side I open. Remember both inter, you open. You don't have to go close.
Okay.
Yeah, like that one.
Oh, when
that
I
one we
come
have
out.
to open. This one we have open only the one exit.
Okay.
They have a sensor, so you don't have to open.
Okay, sounds good.
So when you hit that sensor, hit your tire, and automatic open.
Sounds good.
Only one.
All right.
Yeah.
Thank you.
This one, we don't have it. We have to open.
Okay. All right, thank you, my friend. Have a good night. Ah, very cool. O bagulho aqui é controlado, rapaz. É isso aí. Very nice. I'm here at the Chappie-Shasta Rally. Well done. So far so good. Nice lake. Woo. Yeah, I'm getting a little late, but you know, all good. It's 9 o'clock now. Yeah. Well done. It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be a lot of fun tonight. I mean, I know this weekend. Look at this, people's walking here. Oh, it's very nice. People's walking here at night. Look at this. Tem escada para ir lá para baixo. That's nice. Oh, I see some bikes. Yeah, there's some bikes. What now? What am I supposed to do now? He said I just need to get close. It's gonna be open automatically. Let's see. No, really, huh? Oh, I did it. Ah, look at that. So cool. Very nice. There's a camera everywhere. Very nice. So follow the pavement. Just follow the pavement road. And you're gonna find the weather. Then we're gonna check in. It's pretty cool. I saw 2 bikes. Probably they going to the city, get some beer. Look at that. Wow, that's so good to be here. This is gonna be fun.
Agora o campo ficou tranquilo. Finalmente a janta tá pronta. E agora todo mundo aqui também ficou de boa aqui no camp. O último gerador desligou, era 11h30. Agora tá tranquilo. O único que tá acordado agora é eu que acho que foi o último que chegou aqui no camp. Amanhã deve ser muito massa. Eu tô ansioso para ver como é que vai ser amanhã. É isso aí, a gente se vê amanhã então. Amanhã vai ter o Rally da Dakar. See you guys tomorrow.